This is have to be a green car. It's flower power. You see? It's growing flowers right out from the car. Here, and we have some car behind there. Okay. Yeah, this could be interesting. Do we have any chance whatsoever? Uh-oh. Okay. Have to do some digging first. Yeah. At least I made a road to get into the car. I'll have to see if we have some key to open it. And then we maybe have a little battery challenge. Maybe. Then we have made some road in here. And there was a battery in here. At least that's something. I put on the connectors. That luckily wasn't put on before. Of course, this has been standing for a long time since last it was started. So I don't think we're going to get anything out of this battery. Completely dead. Completely dead. Yeah. So I found the key for this one. This one had the battery connected all the time. So let's see. And this one we have to put in code and things to get it in if we have lost power. I'm not sure if we have to do it on the other one. Let's see just what's happening here. Because no power whatsoever. Double checked there, I had disconnected here. So then I just have to find the code system and put in codes in this car again. And maybe something happened. That's crazy. Right away after I get in the code, it started up. Maybe I should try to use this one to put start the cable over to the other one. But luckily this was working. The battery was not dead either. Perfect. Then we take this bastard and trying to start the cable over to the other one. Be interesting. Yeah, I messed up. Since we get power from the other car. You see here, inside there are my keys. When we get power to the car, it locks the door. And I have the two keys I have, one I cut and one that come with the car is there. And the car is locked. So now I need some of you guys to help explain how to most simple way to get into the car without breaking the windows or ruining something else. Have to be some way. Yeah. At least we started the Jaguar, started the Bastard and everything there. I forgot. I've done this before. Then we picked up the white car that is back there. We locked in the key too, and we're using hour after hour to be able to get into it again. Serious problem. Yeah. Just have to try to get help from some of you guys, or find some videos about someone can tell me how to get in now. P38 locked out with a key inside. Yeah, please come back. Please start follow the channel. And please come with the information that can help both me and others. Thank you.